Hello everyone, this is my project demonstration video for edX course CS50's Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. This is my project to Flake. The objectives of this project were to learn to use JavaScript and become more comfortable with building web user interfaces and gain experience with Socket.io. So for this project we have to install the necessary requirements and then set up a secret key environment variable that will be used by the Flask app. Then we can run the application. So this is a chat application. Here we have to enter our name. This name is displayed to every user of this website. I am creating another user for demonstration. The current user is displayed in green background and the other users are displayed in blue background. So for using this application we have to create channels. So I am going to create a channel now. The channel is created and we can now see the name of the creator here. Other users have to join this channel to see the messages. So the users can type their message here and send it. The sender's name and timestamp is displayed here along with the message. Every user of this channel can see this message. Anyone can send a message in this group. And this message is immediately sent to the server and the server sends this message to other users. As a personal touch for this project, I have designed the delete message button. The users have to select their message and then click the delete button and the message gets deleted immediately. The users can delete multiple messages at a time by selecting all of them. and clicking the delete button. The messages are removed immediately. Many channels can be created here. Anyone can join any channel and view its messages. So according to the requirements, the channel can have 100 messages at a time, and when this limit is crossed, the messages should not be stored. So here is the limit. Once this limit is crossed, the oldest messages in the channel gets deleted automatically. Once the users have finished using this app, they can log out of the chat application. Once logged out, the users can choose a different display name to continue using this application. If someone uses the same name that is used by another user, then the username cannot be used and a message is displayed. So that's all for my project 2. Thank you.